All glories to Shri Shri Guru and Gauranga. Hari Bol. Jai Shila Gurudev, Jai Shila Prabhupada. How to make an ideal society. Try to develop your Krishna consciousness by following the process of Srila Rupa Goswami, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, Srila Sanatana Goswami, and others in our life, especially Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Always maintain the conception that we are all in Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's family, and thus try to honor all devotees without consideration of caste and creed. Of course, it is ideal to respect devotees according to their quality of bhakti and not blindly. After so many years, you are coming to the stage of Madhurya Adhikari. So try to realize this truth. I have heard somewhere that human beings are social animals. We cannot live without society, either we will have to choose some society of which we can be part, or else we will have to create some society ourselves. We want a society in which we can chant, remember Krishna, and be happy. Otherwise, no one can be happy in their life. What is the meaning of preaching? Its purpose is only to develop a very good society everywhere so that everyone can be happy forever. We want to start by developing such a society here, and training is required for that. If this society is Krishna consciousness, it will help everyone and everyone will be happy. Do not think only of yourself but of your children, because they will also be members of the society. Train them in the principles of teachings of Krishna consciousness. I encourage the school where to expand so that it can facilitate and training of all children. You will require a committee that can meet and try to solve any problems that arise. If there is goodwill and if you all honor each other, then all problems will disappear and the children will be well trained, happy. Everyone, whether junior or senior, should be honored according to his or her position in bhakti. Those who are senior disciples of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur should be honored, and they should have great affection for their juniors. This is the way to make a very ideal society. Your Prabhupada, my Prabhupada, my Swamiji also wanted this. And he tried to establish it. However, due to false ego, some person wanted to control others by intelligence, not by love and affection, and consequently they could not succeed. The process of achieving success has nothing to do with controlling. It has to do with universal love and affection. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had that universal love, and we ardently wish to follow him. If any problems come, try to reconcile the situation by thinking, this is due to my past karma. or Krishna wants to test me and operate on me. There is no need to be angry and upset about disturbing occurrences. I request that a school be established specially to teach spiritual association on the basic of developing love and affection for each other. Meetings and classes may be held fortnightly, weekly, or on the occasion of any festivals. Sometimes one devotee can give class, sometimes another, everyone will benefit. There should be harmony. This is most essential. You will be successful through harmony. It is so beneficial for you to associate with Vaishnavas who are really Madhurya Adhikari, whose character is very elevated and spotless. Thus, you can advance and you can create a very beautiful and strong community. And you can enter into the Sri Rupa Goswami's Upadeshamrita, Sri Rupa Raghunath Das Goswami's Manoshiksha. In this way, if anyone try to establish a society, then they can make an ideal society. An ideal society means always in favor of Lord Krishna. So everyone have to be a part of an ideal society. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.